Fortunately, again, we are at the perfect spot at the perfect time because we got the perfect shade provided to us by those palm trees. Oh, look at this. It's beautiful. I want to say take about 40 to 50 people. Take them on a high-speed boat ride out into the ocean. Here comes a baby. Do I wish I was in there? Hell yeah, of course I do. One thing I love about Royal Caribbean, they actually allow you to go to the bow of the ship, which means the very front of the ship, and just stand there. I wish my hands didn't shake this much so you can actually enjoy. There you go. I'm trying to stay as steady as possible. That should be us right there. Freedom of the seas. I don't know if we went on those water slides last time we were on the boat.
What are you about to do? What are you about to do?
Yo guys, let me tell you something. You see that smoke? That trail of smoke that is leaving behind? It's leaving a stench of burnt oil as it departs. Like if you're in the city and you're driving behind an old car that's smoking through the exhaust and it smells like burnt oil, like it's mixing water and oil or gas and antifreeze or something. It smells just like that. So that is like an old car that needs replacement. Nevertheless,